Hello viewers, welcome to Khalajan's Kitchen. I'm Farhanda and today I'm making potato bhajia and coriander and apple chutney or dipping sauce. To make the bhajia, I have taken 3 medium potatoes, peeled them and sliced them thinly with a mandolin and then added 1½ teaspoon of salt to stop them from browning. I have taken 1 cup of gram flour, a handful of chopped fresh coriander, 1 green chilli finely chopped, and red chilli powder 1½ teaspoon. You can reduce or increase the amount of both types of chilies according to your taste. I have also taken 1 teaspoon of carom seeds, 1 tablespoon of semolina, 2 tablespoons of lemon juice, and 1 tablespoon of cornstarch. And before frying, I will add 3 tablespoons of water to the mixture, and of course I will need oil for frying. For the chutney, I have taken 2 cups of fresh coriander, 3 chopped green chillies, 1½ teaspoon red chilli powder, and 1½ teaspoon of salt. You can increase or decrease the amount of salt according to taste. I have also taken 2 teaspoons of ground cumin, 3 tablespoons of lemon juice, 2 tablespoons of white vinegar, and 1 medium apple which I peeled, cored, and diced. I put all these ingredients in a blender jar along with half a cup of water and blended it to make the chutney. To prepare the potato slices for frying, I have added 1 tablespoon of semolina, 2 tablespoons of lemon juice, 1 teaspoon of carom seeds, 1 tablespoon of cornstarch, red chilli powder, the chopped green chilies, and a handful of chopped coriander. I had added the salt when I sliced the potatoes. I have mixed all the ingredients with the potatoes thoroughly, and now I will add half a cup of the gram flour. I will mix the potatoes with the gram flour and then I will add the rest of the gram flour. Mix it with the potatoes and then set it aside until we fry the potatoes. Before frying, I will add 3 tablespoons of the water to thin the mixture. I heated the oil in a wok on high heat, and after it is hot enough, I lowered the heat to medium-high and then added the potato slices one at a time. It has taken 4½ minutes for the bhajia to cook and for them to turn golden brown. Now I will take them out and serve them with the chutney. Don't forget to subscribe and give this video a thumbs up. Enjoy.